Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? So guys, today in this video I'll be showing you how to make Pinkaso. Yes, that is Hausa Pinkaso. It's very easy to make. You just need some simple ingredients to make this amazing and delicious snack. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, please subscribe and thank you for coming. Let's get started. Like I said, just some simple ingredients to make this amazing snack. So this is my flour. Okay, as you can see, I'm using this much, and I also have some onion and then pepper. If you don't like pepper, you don't need to add it. And this is my salt and then my yeast. Okay, so adding or combining all my dry ingredients, I added my yeast into my flour, and I also added my salt. So continue to mix it all together. So I'm going to blend my vegetables. I added my onions and my pepper into the blender. Okay, so after blending it, I just added it back into my dry ingredients. You don't need to add pepper if you don't want it. But guys, let me tell you one amazing secret of Pinkaso. So guys, the secret is onions. You can't just do away with onions in your Pinkaso. It gives it some kind of flavor, some amazing flavor, and also very delicious. In fact, it makes the Pinkaso so delicious, guys. So this is it. I'm going to cover it and put it somewhere. Okay, keep it where there is heat, okay, or warm. Okay, so this is it. This is after 1 hour, and this is what I have. I'm going to add in my spring onions for garnishing. Okay guys, so I'm going to spread it into it and then mix it all through. Guys, thank you so much for your amazing support. To all my old and new subscribers, thank you so much. Please kindly subscribe if you haven't. Okay, so this is it. My oil is already on fire. It's heated and time for us to fry. To those that knows Pinkaso, Pinkaso also has its own signature, and that signature of Pinkaso is making that holes in between, okay, like the way I'm making. For your first time, you will be finding it difficult, but you will get better as time goes on. Okay, so guys, this is it. This is my first batch of my Pinkaso. I just used some small flour and I had a lot of Pinkaso, guys. So this is it. It looks so amazing and colorful already. Okay, so guys, this is it. If this is your first time of seeing Pinkaso, guys, this is Pinkaso and it's a must try. Okay, so let's go for my second batch. Okay, so guys, we normally take this thing with Hausa cocoa. Yes, that is the better option to use Pinkaso with. If you want to enjoy your Pinkaso, just use Hausa cocoa, okay, and you will enjoy your Pinkaso very well. This is my second batch, I guess, and guys, look at it. It looks so gorgeous and amazing, right? Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I do appreciate, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and then share my videos to your family and friends. So guys, look at it. It looks so crunchy on the outside and moist in the inside, and I like to enjoy Pinkaso with sugar. Yes, try enjoying it with sugar and you will like it. So this is what we have. It's very hot, guys, and it looks so yummy. In fact, it was yummy. I enjoyed it very well. I had it with my Hausa cocoa. As you can see, we are in Ramadan period, and these snacks and Hausa cocoa are very important. Shalom, peace out.